Numbers are fun as fun can be. 1, 2, 3, let's start today, learning numbers in a happy way.
4, 5, 6, we clap our hands, counting numbers across the land. 7, 8, 9, jump and cheer. 10 is here, give a big hooray.
11, 12, 13, we go, numbers dancing in a row. 14, 15, 16, too, every number is waiting for you.
17, 18, 19, shine. 20 comes and looks so fine. We keep counting with a smile, learning numbers all the while.
21 to 30 we sing, numbers bring a happy thing. 31 to 40 appear, growing smarter year by year.
41 to 50, now let's count together and take a bow. Numbers sparkle, numbers play, helping us learn every day.
51 to 60 we cheer, more exciting numbers are near. 61 to 72, so many numbers left to do.
71 to 80 we fly, counting up beneath the sky. 81 to 90 bright, numbers glowing like stars at night.
91, 92 we see, counting higher happily. 99 is almost done, 100 comes with lots of fun.